The following tutorial will preview how you can sign up for online monthly payments for the Lake Mortgage Company in Merrillville, Indiana. Begin by visiting our home webpage at www.lakemortgage.com. At the top right, you will see a green login button, or you can scroll down and locate the login button on the home page next to the title Manage Your Mortgage. Either button will redirect you to the online payment login page. If you are a returning user, simply type in your username, password, and security image code. If you are a first-time user, navigate to the lower left and select the blue Register button. In order to register, the page will direct you to type in your loan number as well as your social security number without dashes. Multiple loans or mortgages will be linked by social security number and also appear within the same account. Click Continue. If the following error message occurs, retype both your loan number and social security number in case of a typographical error. If this is not the case, call your lender to make sure you are entering the correct loan number. Carefully read through the FICS Click Wrap Agreement, which includes terms, license, and restrictions. Once you have thoroughly read and understood the agreement, select the green I Agree button on the bottom right. You will now be prompted to create a personal username between 5 and 12 characters, followed by a personal password between 6 and 12 characters, with one numeric character. Provide a reachable email address for notifications and your verification email. After you have confirmed all of your login information, you will have to enter the security image code. If the security image does not automatically pop up, tap the revolving arrow button to refresh. Click the Submit button when you are finished. After you complete the first step of registration, you will receive a verification email with instructions for activating your account. If you have trouble locating your email, you can call your lender and they can activate your account manually. Once you have successfully registered, click the blue button on the bottom left to proceed to the login page. To log in, type your new username, password, and the security image code, and select the green Login button on the bottom right. Verify your email address and select the green Continue button. The site will then direct you to the Welcome page within your account. To begin the online payment process, select the Payment Options tab on the black tab bar. Please remember that online payments will take 2 business days to process, so make sure to begin the online payment process 3 or more days before your next payment is due. If you owe more than the current month's payment, or if the current month is past the 13th of the month, you cannot use the online payment option. If you scroll down on the Payment Options page, you will see 3 blue options: Autopay with a recurring draft, Autopay for this month's payment, and View your scheduled payment. First, we will walk through the Autopay for this month's payment option. After choosing this option, click the green Approve button on the next page to authorize Lake Mortgage to initiate a one-time electronic ACH debit from your checking or savings account. The first thing you will be prompted to do is enter your account type, in which you can choose to pay through your checking or savings account through the drop-down menu. Next, you will be asked to locate your check's routing or transit number and your checking or savings account number. These can be located on the bottom of the check in order of your routing, account, and then check number. Please do not include the check number. The financial institution will immediately appear when you type your check routing number. You can view your payment amount as well as any previous late charges you may have to pay. You also have the option to add an additional principal amount, which will be added on to your total payment in bold. At the bottom of the page, you will see the due date of your next payment, as well as a drop-down menu in which you can choose your preferred draft date within the 2-week grace period, either the 3rd or the 13th of the month. You must submit your banking information no later than the 3rd at 11:59 p.m. or the 13th no later than 11:59 p.m., depending on the date that you've chosen. Click the green Next button when you are finished. Verify that your information is correct before choosing to submit your payment. You can also choose to edit your information or cancel the transaction before you submit. After you have submitted your payment, we recommend you print the confirmation to save for your records. You will also receive a confirmation email. If instead of submitting an online payment each month, you choose to autopay using a recurring draft, Lake Mortgage will automatically collect your recurring ACH payments from your checking or savings account automatically every month. The same information is necessary for the draft page as for the monthly online payments page. Please note that Lake Mortgage will control your payments from this point forward. Therefore, you do not need to make any further payments online, or it may result in a double payment. You will again be asked to verify your information, and you will receive an email confirmation as well as a recommendation to print and save your information for your personal records. Other items that you can view from your account can be found in the tabs at the top of the page. In the Payment Information tab, you can view your loan details, including your current interest rate and remaining term, as well as your current payment breakdown and important dates, including when your next payment is due. In the Loan Balances tab, you can see your principal balance, among others, as well as your current year-to-date totals and your previous year-end totals, 1098 and 1099. The other black tabs let you view your payment history, your account information, and any memos available for your loan. If you have multiple mortgages or loans, you will find additional blue tabs at the top right. If you ever need help with anything regarding online payments, your loan, or your mortgage, you can find us using the blue Contact Us tab. Call us at 219-769-5941 or visit us at our office in Merrillville, Indiana. Lake Mortgage, Indiana's oldest family-owned mortgage banking company, serving you for nearly 70 years.